Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Rogue wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your Nissan Rogue is parked on a level surface and completely turned off for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position, being careful not to let it snap back down. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the arm. Be sure to place a thick towel or cloth on your windshield before letting the arm rest, just in case it accidentally springs back and hits the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Align the new wiper blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. Finally, perform a quick test. Turn on your Nissan Rogue and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe the new blades to ensure they make even contact and wipe clearly across the entire windshield without streaking or skipping. This simple check confirms proper installation. For more great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.